Most people think referrals come from asking at the right time. The truth is, they start long before you ever mention them. They start with your body language, because clients judge your confidence before they judge your words. And if your body looks awkward, uncertain, or tense, your potential referrals vanish without you even knowing it. So here I'm going to give you 6 silent signals that make or break trust and how to fix them so referrals flow naturally without the awkward ask. So number 1, open shoulders. Tight shoulders look nervous. Drop them down and back. Open shoulders project calm confidence. Number 2, soft eye contact. Not staring, not looking away. A warm, soft focus shows you're present and trustworthy. Number 3, hands anchored. Hidden or fidgeting hands when you're doing all this stuff with your hands signals doubt. Rest them lightly on the table or clasped in front of you like that. Anchored hands make you look steady and sure. Number 4, slow your pace by about 10%. Really fast talking looks anxious. A slightly slower pace shows authority and belief in what you're saying. And number 5, lean forward at key moments. Leaning forward, it shows interest. And it shows also confidence. Leaning back looks far too hesitant or disengaged. And number 6, pause before you answer. A 2-second pause shows calm thinking. It removes 80% of awkwardness from any conversation. So when you fix these 6 signals, something powerful happens. Clients feel more confident in you, and confidence is what triggers referrals, not just asking. So if you want referrals without the awkward ask, start by removing the awkward energy. Fix the signals, and trust takes care of the rest. Speak soon.